USB flash drive gets corrupted, and you can't open or access files in it. Don't panic! In this video, we are going to show you how to recover corrupt files from USB using CMD as well as data recovery tool. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Windows allows you to recover corrupted flash drive using specific commands in CMD. The following steps will check your USB for bad sectors and try to fix them and make any hidden files visible. Click on the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click and click Run as Administrator. To check if your USB flash drive is bad sectors, enter chkdsk/r/f into the command line and press Enter. Replace H with the drive letter of your USB. Windows will begin to verify the files and folders on the USB. To recover files, enter attrib /s/ds*** and press Enter. Again, replace H with the drive letter of your USB. Now you can check recovered files on USB drive using this PC. To recover corrupted files from USB with ease, using a reliable data recovery tool is the best choice. Tenorshare 4DDiG enables you to recover files from corrupted, damaged, or formatted HDD, SSD, USB flash drive, external hard drive, pen drive, SD card, CF card, etc. And it supports 1000 plus file types recovery. To recover with 4DDiG, download and install the program on your computer. Launch the application and connect your corrupted USB. On the main interface, you will see locations where you can recover lost data, including your local disk, external disk, desktop, recycle bin, select folder, and more. In our case, go ahead to select the USB drive, then click Scan to proceed. Now 4DDiG will start scanning and repairing your corrupted files from USB. After the scanning, you can choose files to preview and then click Recover to save them to a different partition. Hopefully these two methods can help you recover corrupt files from USB drive. If you want to recover any deleted or lost data from computer or external devices, just try Tenorshare 4DDiG. Subscribe our channel if you want more useful tips. See you next time.